I'm Parimal Patil from the Orbit Multiplexes in Amravati. So we went for solar power PV system because our cost of our daily expenses or monthly costs for running the multiplex were high, and main bill for us was usually the electricity. And because putting a solar power plant, we have been able to reduce the cost we have for the electricity charges. So for proven, we met Mr. Uday and Mr. Sandeep. We had met them through references, and upon meeting them, they explained us how the system works and savings we can get throughout the year and how much it can affect our cash flow. In 2017, and it was new time for solar, but they explained us everything in detail and we were okay with it. So we thought to go ahead with the system. Therefore, we chose Proven EPC. The installation was very quickly done. The team was great. We managed to complete it within 2 weeks, and all the hardware and materials used were of excellent conditions. We used REC solar panels and Fronius inverters, which were best in time which were the best in market at that time. And currently, because of that, we have been because of the Fronius inverters, we have an online application where I can track day-to-day or monthly consumptions or the units being generated. Approximately, we are saving approximately 2.5 lakh rupees a month and around 30 lakh rupees a year. Cost of electricity for commercial consumers have been increasing rapidly over the past 10 years. Compensate the amount for us in terms of cash flow, we wanted to have solar power system, and therefore I think in terms of sustainability, it's a longer term goal, and it's a long term goal where the green energy initiative by the government as well as for the planet is helpful. I would definitely recommend Proven EPC because they have always been transparent throughout what the materials have been used, their communication as well as their maintenance. So throughout, I think it's been 7 years now we have installed the solar power plant. We have been getting regular help in terms of maintenance and assisting in cleaning the solar panels as well.